So these are some of my favorite videos. I got two 50-pound boxes from Kimball of Kimball Hardwoods. He shipped me some special treats that we're going to give away to you guys today. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and follow Mr. Kimball on Instagram. I'll put his link below. Kimball's been selling guitar woods for 7-8 years now. He's actually become a really good friend of mine. I did the interview with him. I kind of get some special stuff every once in a while. But we have a great partnership. He's been really open and honest with me, and we've had a lot of life questions answered between both of us. We actually worked for the same company at one point in the past, which is kind of funny. So enough jib-jabbing. Let's open these boxes. Got some really special stuff in here. Alright, so Mr. Kimball packs all of this stuff himself. He doesn't really need to wrap all this stuff like he does. But he does because he's a great vendor and really just outstanding guy. So this is the first set, and when you're opening these sets, obviously they're packed this way. You can score along one of these sides and open it. He's also got backing boards in here as well. So not only do you get some wood, you get wood for templates, which I really like because wood's expensive now. So think about it. Not only is he selling you wood, but he's giving you some goodies. He doesn't want his stuff damaged. So backing board. Here is a set of spalted burl, which was the last set I bought. And then he's got all this other good stuff in here. And the funny thing is, I'm on vacation last week and he starts posting stuff and I'm like, whoa, I need that. Alright. He gets a lot of pieces when he's drying that he doesn't want to sell for full price because they've got some damage to them. So instead of being that guy that tries to sell bad wood, he does not do that. And that's really honorable because essentially then you're just throwing away money. But he'll reach out to a couple of his friends, or he'll fully disclose what he's selling. And it's really nice. So these are special treats for later, we'll show you. Oh, unbelievable. Alright, first box is open. We are going to make a special guitar out of this. We're going to do a live edge front. Not 100% sure how I'm going to do this, but this is the quilted maple. So pretty. But this is the front edge of it. So we're gonna do like a carved top of somehow. Not 100% sure how I'm gonna do that. I think we may build this up and split this one and then get it to sort of match. Look at this wood. It's unbelievable. He gets just the greatest pieces of wood. You know, you got an inclusion here, which is probably why he stopped cutting it, because at that point the wood devalues. So this is for a special project for me. These are the sets that were a little bit damaged, that were too good to pass up on. So he had a billet and he needed to clean it up more, but cleaning it up more means a lot more work for him. And so I said, I'll take it. Look at that. So you get some splitting in here, and what I'm gonna have to do is just cut around it so the body shape will fit perfectly. But that's what happens in the kiln, and a lot of guys try and sell this stuff at full price, which is really garbage. So with a black stain, I can do wonders to these bodies. That's cool. One inclusion right there, but once I glue it, should be good. This is like my favorite days. Oh, look at that piece of wood. So then even with something like this, I can put the control cavity in here, top route it, and we can clean that up. Just depends on how I want to fix this stuff up. Or I can do something else with these. We'll see. But he is honest with what he's selling, and it works out. Yeah, this one I'll use for sure. And I'll do the control cavity, flip this around and do it on this side, and I'll get an awesome telly top. All right. So that's one of the sets. He's got a giveaway set in here. I forgot what I bought, except for this piece. This is one of these pieces of wood that is just incredibly outstanding, and that I am the only one that can make these look awesome. This is a burl flame figured piece of wood. Look at that set. I mean, this is amazing. A little bit of cracking in the burl right there, but that's no problem. We'll use a little filler and fill that up. I've never seen burl and flame and wildwood. We grade these as like kind of wildwood tops, and those are my favorite. I've done so many outstanding things with that. This is the giveaway set. Oh, I don't want to give this away. It's so pretty. Look at this. He loves you guys. Couple inclusions right there, but that's not even that bad. This set is beautiful. Back, he's marking a little knot, a little bit of a dip right there, but if you glue it on this backside and move it down slightly, you won't have an issue. Perfect telly drop top set. That is the giveaway set for you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. And then this is a spalted burl set that I had to have. This is when I have to ban myself from watching his Instagram channel. That's where he's selling most of the stuff. If you follow him on Instagram, that's where he's getting rid of most of his stuff. It's much easier for him. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful. It's really wild coloring here. That is big leaf maple, spalt, beautiful, spalted burl. Wow. All right, then the other thing he has, which no one else does, are these one-piece pieces that I covet like no other. So one-piece tops are really hard to find. Ooh. Oh, I'm old. I'm losing my strength. Oh, this was more than 50 pounds. Ooh. Like I said, one-piece tops are incredibly hard to find. I use these on some of the project custom work I do. And when he posted this video, I was already 2 days late, which made me mad into seeing it. But since I've got the big Laguna, I can do some really awesome stuff here. This one made me mad that I missed out on. And there's nothing like this wood. This is 2 inches thick. Big flame piece of wood. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. 2 inches, actually no, it's like 2 1/4 thick. Beautiful. I'm stuck in here. This is the other flame piece that I bought. He gets a lot of flame. I missed out on the quilt, which made me mad. I got a guy who wants a quilted guitar. So this was cut in September 15th, 2011. That's the stamping. So he's made some really good contacts out west that give him stuff that's old cut. They don't really let trees grow this wide, especially with this figure. They'll split it down the middle and turn it into a billet. But like, look at Look at the coloring right here. It's amazing. This is amazing. This is even better than the last piece. Runs out a little bit on the back side. So if I'm doing some bodies, I'll probably start on the back side like this. And you can, I don't know. That's kind of cool. I don't know, we'll see. And then this is the other quilted piece. Man, this stuff is heavy. This one isn't as thick. If you wanted to do a one-piece cut, you could. Or a one-piece Les Paul, you could do that. Oh wow, this is 2007 stamp. Stuff is old. You just don't see wood like this. They don't let it go. Wow, look at that. Look at the quilting in this. It's got real heavy, deep figure right here. And then you get the wide sort of sausage quilt. This would make an outstanding guitar. A little bit of like grain lines here, and then it's more flat sawn. Beautiful piece of wood. Wow. Alright guys, so you know the rules to get this awesome piece of wood. Comment on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to me. And then follow Mr. Kimball on Instagram. I know I can't check all of that. But if you want the best wood, you gotta go through Mr. Kimball. Giveaway set and unboxing some goodies from Mr. Kimball. Always an awesome day for me. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like guitar related content, please comment, like, subscribe, click the bell, blah, blah, blah. See you in the next video.